Hello and welcome viewers to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Here with me Padma Priya. Today I have bought an interesting, quick, simple breakfast cum tiffin recipe which is called chapati egg noodles. So here you can see I have taken chapati. I will show you how to cut these chapatis into long sizes. I have taken one chapati and you have to take two folds. Take one scissor and cut them into long sizes. You can see here. So this way you can make a long strips of chapati. I have taken about 12 to 15 chapatis. Even if you have any leftover chapatis at your home, at that time also you can prepare these recipes. It will be very interesting for especially for children to have chapati. If you wish, you can do with vegetables also. Here I am going to use eggs. So this way you can make long strips of chapatis. Now let's go on for the preparation process. Heat the kadai. I have taken a heavy bottom kadai. Add 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, I am going to take chopped garlic. I have taken 3 to 4 garlic. I am going to take 2 large size green chilies. Next I am going to take chopped 1 large size onion. Give a stir mix. Now you can see here the onions have turned to light brown color. At this stage you can add the chopped 1 large size tomato. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see here the onions and tomatoes are well cooked. As I am preparing noodles in Indian style, that's why I have taken tomatoes. So along with this, now I am going to add all the masalas. So here goes first 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. As it's egg noodles, I am going to take pepper also. So in this you can see I have taken 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and garam masala powder also 1 teaspoon. So you can add this at this stage along with red chili powder. You can adjust the chili powder according to your taste. Let the masalas cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see here now the masala is well cooked and combined with tomatoes and onion. Now I am going to add egg. I have taken here 6 eggs, beaten up them with salt according to the taste pepper 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon. So at this stage I am going to add egg. Just spread the onions and pour the egg, covering the entire onion like this way. After pouring the egg, don't scramble it. Let wait for 1 minute. If you scramble the egg at this time, it will become very small pieces. So just wait for just 1 minute so that the egg gets combined with the onions. Then we will go for the scrambling process. So now after 1 minute, you can see here the egg is taken the shape. So at this time you can scramble the egg. Keep it little large pieces. Gently scramble it. Keep the flame medium heat. So now you can see here the eggs are scrambled into medium pieces. At this stage you can add salt according to the taste for the egg. As already in chapati the salt is there, I have taken according to the taste salt. Now give a gentle mix. You can see here the egg pieces are into medium. I have not scrambled it into very small pieces. Now I am going to add chapati to it. As I am making it in Indian style, so I am not adding any Chinese item like soya sauce or vinegar. If you want, you can add, after adding egg, soya sauce also, chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Now mix chapati along with the egg. Now you can see here the chapati have well combined with the egg and it has come out in a perfect finish of a noodles. So I am going to switch off the stove and going to place it in a serving plate. You can see here a very crunchy and soft chapati noodles. I am going to serve it with tomato ketchup and green sauce. Basically, children will love to enjoy. Instead of a normal chapati, you can make a transformation of chapati into a very soft and crispy noodles. You can see here it has come a perfect noodles. So I hope you like my recipe. Do like and subscribe my channel, Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Enjoy the noodles. Thank you.